How to plot in multiple subplots. I am a little confused about how this code works. How does the fig axis work in this case? What does it do? Also, why wouldn't this work to do the same thing? There are several ways to do it. The subplots method creates the figure along with the subplots that are then stored in the AX array. For example, however, something like this will also work. It's not so clean though, since you are creating a figure with subplots and then add on top of them.
You can also unpack the axes in the subplots call, and set whether you want to share the x and y axes between the subplots. Like this.
You might be interested in the fact that as of matplotlib version 2.1 the second code from the question works fine as well. From the changelog, figure class now has subplots method. The figure class now has a subplots method which behaves the same as plot.subplots but on an existing figure. Example.
If you want to see more, please stay still for a second.